Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this episode I'll demonstrate to you how you can convert a Cscape program for Horner PLC from a register base into a tag base. Let me zoom in a bit further here so that you can actually see the program better. So you can see, you can see that the let's slide this guy again. Okay, so we can see that I'm still using a register base and a tag name base. So how you convert that into a tag name base only. This is how you do it. Right click over here and you go convert variable base CPS as in Cscape. Click on it, and when you're ready, click start and give it a name. Let's call it ABC converted, and that's going to be a new program name, and it's going to take a bit. And you can actually see as the conversion tool goes through the program, it converts every program one bit at a time. My program is relatively simple. It's only one line. It's faster, right? So one more thing to take note is that the register base program is relatively small. It's only about 1164 bytes, but your new tag based program is whopping 46,745 bytes. I know it's relatively small, just to say, because I've only got one rung in this PLC program, but if you have multiple rung, the program might be relatively big, so keep that in mind. I'm gonna click OK, and there you have it. The program has been converted to a tag base. I hope you like this tip. If you do, thumbs up and subscribe. Other than that, you have an awesome day. Bye now.